a follow-up video on the preserving possets. So I almost forgot. I'd made a posset and I preserved it, and I had it in the fridge in a sealed container, and it was a honey one from what I remember. I think it was a honey one. The first honey experiment didn't work particularly well, but still I sterilised one in a jar, and it's been in the fridge for 2 months. The first sterilisation project with the possets, they certainly lasted a month in the fridge. And I think one lasted a month outside of the fridge. I can't quite remember. But anyway, this has been in the fridge for 2 months, so it's still sealed, so it should be okay, and we'll see how it looks. There we go, nice. That looks alright. On top of that, there's no kind of growth or anything like that. What does it smell like? Like a lemon posset. Well, a honey and lemon posset, I think it is. So we'll give it a try. Looks like it's okay. It's not good. I think, from what I remember, the last possets that I sterilised in jars were starting to. Yeah, the one that I left out on the counter that wasn't in the fridge, it started to look like it started to ferment. But anyway, so give it a taste. Delicious. Delicious. So they certainly last 2 months in the fridge. Not enough sugar in it though. From what I remember that recipe. Yeah, I think I put in. I should have put. I think I ended up putting 120 grams worth of honey in, when I really should have put 150 grams worth of honey in. But anyway, so 2 months later, they certainly still are sterilised and perfectly good to eat after 2 months. They're there, a success. Probably the last posset video for a while. I think. Can't think of any more I need to do.